Oh, we are ready. Yes guys, finally you have clicked on this video. Now what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to create a YouTube channel and actually make money from your YouTube channel. Now in this video I'm gonna go through 4 easy steps of how to create your YouTube channel. Now by going in step 1 is to basically create your Google account. Now what you can basically do is to go on Google and search for Google Gmail, right? Once you find Google Gmail, what you want to do is to create your Google account. Now once you have created your Google account, you move on to step 2. Now step 2 is basically you're going to go on YouTube and sign in with your Google account that you have created. Now when you see my account, you're going to click on that and you're going to create your channel name. Your channel name can be a brand name or your personal name, whatever name that you choose it to be. Now once you have created that name, now you're going to go and also design your channel logo to put where your profile picture is and your channel art where the banner is, right? So you have to design it some cool way that people can actually attracted to it. Now your banner basically can tell the audience what type of channel you are going to be creating or what type of stuff that you are going to be posting. Now after you've done all of that, you move on to step number 4. Now step number 4 is basically uploading your videos to YouTube. Now before uploading your videos, I want to show you some tips. Now tip number 1 is what you want to do is to create a brand identity. Now a brand identity could be your personal brand. It could be your name or it could be some business that you want to start. Now once you have created that brand identity, that way people can actually know that this brand is belong to that particular person, right? So you can create your own unique brand identity so that it doesn't match with other people on the platform, right? So just create your own identity so that person can know that this is actually you. Now tip number 2 is basically important for you to choose your niche, your topic, the things that you're going to post. So the way in which you can find out how to choose your niche is basically posting something that you're passionate about, something that you enjoy doing and you're willing to share to your audience in a meaningful way. For example, you have a lot of channels that doing cooking channel, you might doing makeup tutorial, you might doing gaming, you might do a lot of things, right? You name it. Pranks and all those channels. So you have to choose the type of audience that you want to have on your channel, and then you can make your first upload. Now it's also important that you upload on a regular basis. Consistency is always the key when you're uploading those type of video. And it doesn't make any sense when you're uploading video. For example, if you want to upload a video, say on prank, it doesn't make any sense you will switch and go to something else, because you're not going to build any audience in that way. You have to focus on one niche. In that way you can also grow your audience faster. Now the next tip is that you want to produce high quality video. Make sure that the video is of some high quality. Now what you can use is your mobile phone, and if you're a very expensive person, you can actually go for those high-end cameras, right, to produce those high quality videos. And for your software, if you're using a PC, you can use either Movie Maker for Windows, or if you're using a Mac computer, you can choose iMovies. If you're a mobile phone user, there are some variety of apps that you can choose from. I also did a video on that. The link should be right up here, right? So you can check that out and see those variety of mobile apps that you can use to edit your videos. Yes, so now we have reached part where you have been waiting for, is how to make money. Now I'm basically going to outline 3 ways in which you can make money. Now step 1, in which you can sign up for the Google AdSense program. This program is basically where you place ads inside your videos and make money from them. So basically, the more video you upload, each time when person click on your videos, right, and watch those ads, you actually make money from that ads. So to get qualified for that AdSense program, you have to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time. I also did a video on how to get your 4,000 watch time, so you can also check that video. It's also in the description box below, right? Now basically we are moving on to step 2. The next way in which you can make money on YouTube is to join an affiliate program. Now basically Amazon have an affiliate program where you can actually sign up for free. This program basically is where you talk about some products, reviews them, and put links in your videos where person can actually purchase this type of product. Now when person purchase this type of product, you get a commission from that money that they have paid for that product. Now all this affiliate program work is that when you're creating your videos, you're going to mention some product in your videos. Now once you mention those products in your videos, you're going to put link in your description for a person to purchase those products. Now when person click on those link in your description to purchase those products, you get a consumption from those purchase. So that way you can actually make money by advertising other products on your YouTube videos. Now the main thing about this program is that you have to upload on a consistency. You can't just upload one time for the year and expect to get rich quick off of YouTube. You have to be consistent. You have to put out videos at least twice per week, if not once, right? So you have to get the momentum going. It's like YouTube is basically a job. So you have to keep on put out content so that person can actually reach out to you to give you all these opportunity. Now moving on to the third tip. Third tip is basically getting sponsors. Now as your subscription might increase, you might get thousands of subscribers. Though other company might want to reach out to you to let you talk about their products. They realize that other company might send you their products for you to review and talk about it, so other person can actually buy those products. Basically do is to pay you to talk about your products in your videos, so that person can actually purchase your products. And you also rewarded by getting paid from those sponsors. But not all the time money is involved, because sometimes some company might exchange their goods for you to talk about their service, right? And if it's a good deal and it's fit with your niche, you can actually talk about it. So that's why I said earlier it's important to choose the right niche so that company can reach to you to talk about their product. And the thing about sponsorship, how sponsorship actually work is that your product has to be in line with the type of content that you post on your channel. For example, if you're a tech channel that talk about techs and reviews, gadgets and something like that, you might find like big company like Apple's and Microsoft want to reach out to you to talk about their products, right? So you have to niche down and see what type of sponsor that fit in your channel. So basically you have to treat YouTube as your business and engage with your business, engage in it, put out the effort, and you will actually make it to the top. Now the main key to be successful on YouTube is consistency. You're not going to just create a YouTube channel and just come on here and just upload one video for the year and expect that you're going to get rich overnight. No, that's not how it works. So you have to get on, create content, create high quality content that people can relate to, and just having fun. So basically I hope this tip be of some value to you. If it does, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos like these. Please remember that everything that we talk about is in the description box down below, so you can go on there and check it out. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Please leave your comments in the comments box below if you have a question about anything. I want to share your ideas and something. Remember to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And I see you in the next one. Peace.